So today we're going to talk about how we produce a note on a brass instrument. Brass instruments are different from all other instruments because on all other instruments it is something on the instrument that vibrates to make the sound. On a brass instrument it is your lips that make a funny noise called a buzz that sounds a little bit like this. Then we put that buzz into the instrument and it gets louder. So how do we make that buzz? The first thing we need is a good strong column of air. So I like to think that I don't like to think that we blow down our instruments, I like to think that we sigh down them. So if we just stand there and we take a big breath, making sure that our shoulders don't go up, we take a big breath and we do a big sigh, we go. And that's a way of providing a really good column of air. So if we try that again, we take a big deep breath, our shoulders staying down to avoid tension, and we sigh. But as you can hear, there is no buzz there. So we need to form something called an embouchure in order to make that buzz. So an embouchure is the shape we make our lips in order for that buzz to happen. So we need to form this shape. And the simple way of thinking about it is we make a lemon face. If you think that when you take a bite out of a lemon, it's something else really sour, you go, oh, that's horrible. And these muscles at the corner of your lips go tight. And they're the only bits of your lips you should be thinking about tightening up, just the corner muscles, not in the middle. So if we put our lips together, we're going to say, just nice and normal. We don't fold our lips in or blow kisses. We just put our lips together as normal. And then we pull those muscles a little bit tight here. And if we've got it right, we take a big breath and sigh and we get, and the air comes through a little hole in the middle of our lips. Then if we just tighten these muscles again, making sure that hole's a little bit smaller, then we'll get a buzz. If we put that buzz on our mouthpiece, it will get louder. Then if we put the buzz on a mouthpiece on the instrument, it gets louder again. And that's all there is. One thing to be careful of, don't ever think of tightening your lips. Because if you think about tightening your lips, what you'll do is you'll close that hole in the middle and no air will come out. And then what you'll do to let the air out is you'll say poo. You'll go and let the air come out. Don't let that happen. Have a little gap in the middle, pull the corners that are tight, and you'll get a nice buzz, and there you have it. That's how you make a sound on a brass instrument.